All right, and this is the before. This is the latest contestant on Best Yard Television right now. And this is a hilly area here in beautiful Jacksonville. And you can see erosion took a hold of this area around the tree roots. So I'm going to bring some soil in here around this tree to help with that. But this tree is going to always kind of present problems as long as all of those roots are there. But I will bring in some soil to help with that. The front yard is doomed because of the roots and the weeds. So we're going to be taking this out, putting in some fresh sod here. All right, this is the before. And we are in the monsoon season, apparently. It won't stop raining. Whoever's doing the rain dance, tell them to stop. This is the main front yard. This subdivision is a little bit different, where each yard has only one side yard. So this side yard belongs to this neighbor. And you don't have both side yards, you only have one side yard type of deal. So this is the before. Stay tuned. Okay, quick update. We got all of the old, bad, nasty grass out of here. Not a lot to show on here, just all of the nasty grass is out here. Now I'm going to do some leveling, and the next step is to install the secret weapon, the original mix number 3. This is the highly nutritious, the best foundation for the best lawn ever. This has got all types of compost manure. This has got the organic base. This is what's going to give you the best lawn ever, season after season. This lawn is going to get the Scott's Pro Vista, and this is what you got to put down before you install the sod. Stay tuned. Okay, quick update, and now the original mix number 3 is installed. This is the foundation for the best lawn ever. It makes a huge difference, an incomparable difference, when you consider the dry, sandy soil, or really dirt. And just checking out on the edges here and in the neighbor's yard, this is pretty much just dirt. It's not going to give you that deep, deep green lawn that you really want. And those other guys, they just throw the sod out on top of the dirt and charge you money. This is what makes the difference. This is the reason why I have so many 5-star reviews on Google. Stay tuned. Okay, quick update, and now adjust all of the sprinklers. In this case, every sprinkler was replaced, upgraded to the Rainbirds. This main lawn has the pop-ups. And a good way to tell that you got good even coverage is all of the soil turns nice and dark. So that means I got good coverage everywhere, nothing's getting missed. And pop-ups over there and a couple of the Rainbird rotors. Okay, now it's time for the icing on the cake. This is the other secret ingredient, the natural fertilizer, the Milorganite. I use another brand that is actually local to Jacksonville. Check out my other videos for that one. But this is the oldest brand, and just to get an idea, this is the same fertilizer you would use if you have a garden and you're growing strawberries, flowers. Excellent for anything that you're trying to grow. Milorganite. Stay tuned. And here are the results. This is the after all the sprinklers have been adjusted. We got 100% coverage. All rain birds, which I know are the best. They're the most popular in our area for sure. And I'm going to do my best to avoid the sprinklers, but I already got hit. This is the Scott's Pro Vista, which is the best side for shade areas. And that's what we have over here with this big oak tree standing right behind me. Pop-ups. Pretty straightforward front yard Resod. Love to hear what you think about the results. I think right here is trying to irrigate me. All right, for a free quote, FloridaProLawnCare.com. Make sure you follow me on Instagram at Florida Pro Lawn Care, and also like the Facebook page, even though I haven't posted anything on Facebook in a while. I'm mostly active on YouTube, so subscribe to the YouTube channel. Click the subscribe button right now before one of these sprinklers hits you. Thank you for checking out this video. This is one of the most sought after types of grass in our area. This is Scott's Pro Vista. Thank you for checking out the video. Till next time. Peace.